I'm Kaylee. I'm from Brookton, and these are my pets: Belle, Peanut, Lucy Lou, Chip, and Tess.
Hi, my name is Ruby Brennan and I'm from Wongan Hills. My dad is a wool and livestock agent for Elders, and these are some of his clients' sheep.
My name's Ava Todd. I'm from Dowran, and this is my dog Minnie.
Hi, my name's Gracie. I'm from Moran Rock. These are my cows and my dogs Maggie and Maple.
I'm Kyla. I live in Dunedin, and these are my pigs.
Hi, I'm Pearl. I'm from Ravensthorpe and this is my dog called Gus.
My name is Abigail Bailey and I'm from Beverly. This is my dog Dixie.
Hi, I'm Ebony, and this is my favourite Black Angus Dougie.
I'm Clara Atwood. I live in Port Hedland and this is my dog Bubbles. From Brimham, this is my dog Roxy.
I'm Alice. I'm Brona. I'm Orla. Molly doesn't want to be here.
That's Marley. This is Poppy. And we're from Condinga.
Hi, my name's Sarah. I live in Noyengrub and these are my pet dogs. I have Belle, Luna, Daisy, Roxy and Jinx. Hi guys, my name is Nat and this is my horse Jasper. Say hi buddy.
I'm Lauren. I'm from Brimhill, and this is my dog Roxy.
I'm Rose. I'm from Geraldton and this is my dog Hazel. She's a Kelpie.
My name is Annie and I'm from Condon and he's called Clancy.